Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing great. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete database on Odoo. Yes, it is that simple and method works perfectly in 2025. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Odoo account. You can be inside my any database or even just on the main dashboard. It does not matter. Now look at the top right corner of your screen. Click on your account icon from the drop-down menu, select My Databases. Here you'll see a list of databases linked to your account. Just click on the name of the one you want to delete. Once you're inside the database details page, you'll see a delete button. Click it, and Odoo will give you a warning. Deleting a database is permanent and cannot be undone. So make sure you really want to delete it. If you confirm, the database will be permanently removed. That is it. Clean, simple, and fast. And yes, you can delete all the databases if you want to. Odoo does not require you to keep at least one. You're free to start fresh wherever you like. So there you have it. How to delete a database in Odoo the easiest way. Now you know. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my other Odoo tutorials. See you in the next one.